Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Finance Tips. Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world of investing. I'm GC, and this is your comprehensive guide to unveiling the secrets of wealth building through investments. Segment 1. The Basics of Investing. Let's start by understanding the basics. What is investing and why is it essential for building wealth? We'll explore the different types of investments, from stocks and bonds to other financial products that can set you on the path to financial success. Segment 2. Stocks and bonds demystified now. Let's dive into the heart of investing, stocks and bonds. We'll demystify these terms, discussing how the stock market works, the concept of dividends, and the role bonds play in a diversified portfolio. Segment 3. Other financial products. It's not just about stocks and bonds. We'll explore other financial products that can add diversity to your investment portfolio. From mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to the world of real estate, there are various avenues to explore. Segment 4. Understanding the risks. Investing comes with its fair share of risks. We'll discuss the common pitfalls and challenges investors face, as well as strategies to mitigate risks. Understanding the risks is the first step in making informed investment decisions. And there you have it, your crash course on investing. Remember, building wealth through investments is a journey, not a sprint. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone looking to embark on their investment journey. Thank you for joining me today. Share your thoughts on investing or any specific investment strategies you follow in the comments below. And of course, let me know what financial topics you'd like to explore in future videos. Until next time, I'm GC signing off from Easy Finance Tips. Happy investing.